Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Flower and pre-fertilization. First, large colorful fragrant flower with nectar are seen in wind pollinated flower, insect pollinated plants, bird pollinated plants, bat pollinated plants. The answer is insect pollinated plants. What is the function of tassel in the corn cob? To protect seed, to attract insects, to trap pollen grains, to disperse pollen grains. The answer is to trap pollen grains. In which of the following sets of families the pollen grain are variable for month? The answer is option number D, Leguminosae, Solanaceae and Rosaceae. Question number 4. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of another flower of same plant is known as. The answer is Geitonogamy. In angiosperm, the correct sequence of event in formation of female gametophyte in the ovule is. The first number, option number D is correct. Then the sequence wise we can say that meiotic at first, meiotic division in the megaspore mother cell, second degeneration of 3 megaspores, third 3 successive prenuclear division in functional megaspore, fourth migration of 3 nuclei towards each pole, E formation of wall resulting in 7 embryo sac. 6 number, to ensure that only the desired pollens fall on the stigma in artificial hybridization process. The answer is option number C, B, C and D only. B, C and D only. There is no need to emasculate unisexual flower of selected female plants. C, emasculation. Flower are to be bagged immediately after cross-pollination. In general, the egg apparatus of embryo sac in angiosperm consists of. The answer is B. Option 1 egg cell, 2 synergid cell and 3 antipodal cell, 2 polar nuclei. Question number 8. Here you can see that here it is written MR. MR means most repeated question in previous years. Okay. So point to be note. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Clistogamous flower are invariably autogamous. Statement 2. Clistogamy is disadvantageous as there is no chance of cross-pollination. Then the answer is both statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. Option number B is correct. Question number 9. Identify the correct statement related to pollination. A. Moths and butterfly are the most dominant pollinating agents among insects. This is the correct option of this question. 10 number. A typical embryo sac at maturity is 8 nucleate, 7 cell. You can also say that 7 cell, 8 nucleate. Next, the term used for transfer of pollen grain from anther of one plant to stigma of different plant which during pollination brings genetically different type of pollen grains to stigma is xenogamy. Answer. Question number 12. In some members of which of the following pairs of families pollen grains retain their viability for months after release? The answer is Rosaceae, Leguminosae. Option number C is correct. Next question. Question number 13. The plant's part which consists of two generations, one within the other. The answer is option number C, 1 and 4. Pollen grain inside the anther and embryo sac inside the ovule. Question number 14. In water hacking and water lily, pollination takes place by insect or wind. Option number D is correct. The next question. The body of ovule is fused within the funicle at. The answer is option number D, hilum. Which of the following is incorrect for wind pollinated plants? Option number A, many ovules in each ovary. This is the correct answer. Which of the following has provided helpful in preserving pollen as fossil? The answer is D, sporopollenin. Next question. Pollen grain can be stored for several years in liquid nitrogen having a temperature of minus 196 degrees Celsius. This is the answer. Question number 19. Functional megaspore in the angiosperm develops into. Comment on the answer on the comment. 20. A dioecious flowering plant prevent both. The answer is option number B, autogamy and geitonogamy. Question number 21. Flowers which have single ovule in the ovary and are packed into fluorescence are usually pollinated by water, bee, wind, bat. The answer is option number C, wind. Question number 22. Attractants and reward are required for anemophily, entomophily, hydrophily, cleistogamy. The answer is option number B, entomophily. The ovule of an angiosperm is technically equivalent to megaspore mother cell, megaspore, megasporangium, megasporophyle. The answer is option number C, megasporangium. Pollination in water hyacinth and water lily is brought at by agency of bird, bats, water, insect or wind. The answer is option number D, insect and wind. In majority of angiosperm, reduction division, option number A, reduction division occurs in megaspore mother cell. B, a small central cell is present in the embryo sac. C, egg has filiform apparatus. D, there are numerous antipodal cells. The answer is A, reduction division occurs in the megaspore mother cell. Question number 26. You can see that this is also a most repeated question. Which of the following statement is not correct? इनमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट नहीं है? ऑप्शन नंबर ए is the correct answer of this question. Pollen grains of many species can germinate on the stigma of the flower, but only one pollen tube of the same species grow into the style. Next question. Which one of the following statement is not true? Then answer is tapetum helps in the dioecious of anther. Proximal end of filament of stamen is attached to the. Answer is thalamus or petal. 29. Which one of the following may require pollinators genetically similar to autogamy? Apogamy, cleistogamy, geitonogamy and xenogamy. The answer is option number C, geitonogamy. Question number 30. Which of the following are important floral rewards animal pollinator? Option is floral fragrance or calcium crystal, protein plecile, sigmatic exudates, color or large size of water. Then the option number D is correct, nectar and pollen grains. Question number 31. In angiosperm, macrosporogenesis and megasporogenesis are involved meiosis. This is the answer. Okay.